Moral story. This story is all about a wolf and the dog freedom. One day, a wolf wandered far away from the jungle in search of food. He reached a village. As he was searching for food, the wolf met a house dog that was plump and healthy. The dog, seeing that the wolf was hungry, said to him, "Come with me to my master. He will take good care of you and will give you good food." The wolf was happy, but suddenly noticed that some hair around the dog's neck had worn away. Wolf started inquired, to which the dog replied, "It is the mark of my collar chain, which is put to keep me chained up at night." Hearing this, the wolf said, "I don't need your feast at the cost of my freedom." Saying this, the wolf ran away. Moral of the story: freedom is precious. Do not give up. Keywords from story: wandered, to walk around slowly in a relaxed way; noticed, to see or become conscious of something or someone; worn, damaged because of continuous use; inquired, to put a question; precious, of great value or high price. Please like and subscribe. We'll meet you again with another story and keywords.